Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to open the, not the camera app, the settings. So let's tap on them, and here we have to find the security option. Now let's scroll down and tap on advanced options and enter encryption and credentials. Now at the very bottom of the list we've got the option we're looking for, so simply tap on it and confirm it. And as you can see right now this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.